Hello and welcome to this video in the CPA Way series. The CPA Way is a methodical approach to professional problems and consists of 5 parts. This video focuses on the last part, communicate in writing. You want to ensure that internal customers or external clients accurately understand you and are encouraged to act on your advice. At the end of a project, you want to successfully hand off your work. To achieve these goals, you need to communicate as clearly and as effectively as possible, and to convey professionalism when writing and speaking. You also need strong listening and reading skills and to provide others with appropriate feedback. This video focuses on the subset of communication that occurs at the end of the CPA Way, when you are creating a written document to deliver to an internal customer or external client. In reality, communication is an ongoing process. But think about a single message, such as a memo, letter, or report. What you intend to communicate might be very different than your internal customers' or external clients' interpretation. Communication barriers reduce how accurately people interpret each other's intended meaning. For example, spelling and grammar errors can distract the reader's attention and give the impression that all of your work is sloppy, or your readers might have preconceived ideas that prevent them from understanding you. Or software problems might alter a document's format and make it hard to read. In general, barriers arise because of poor communications by the sender and/or recipient, or because of situational factors. When writing, you can overcome or minimize many communication barriers by developing and using strong professional writing skills. You want your writing to convey professionalism and enhance the ability of your audience to understand and act on your advice. You can achieve professional quality writing by monitoring and improving these attributes. Professional writing adheres to proper mechanics, including spelling, grammar, punctuation, sentences, paragraphs, quotations, and word usage. The organization and format of written documents should convey professionalism and enhance your reader's ability to understand you. Professional writing usually contains an introduction, body, and conclusion. Formatting might vary depending on the type of communication, content, and audience. Nevertheless, you should comply with standard formats for memos, letters, and reports. Your audience is more likely to understand and act on your advice if your writing is concise and clear. You want to provide your audience with just enough, but not too much, information that is stated as unambiguously as possible. Your audience might be an external client, internal customer, or other stakeholders. Keep an image of your audience in mind as you write, and adapt your writing as needed. Consider questions such as these. Should you replace technical jargon and acronyms with plain English? For example, will you need to explain NPV, or will your audience understand what this is? Does your audience expect a formal or informal approach? What format is the audience expecting? Communicating with a professional tone means conveying respect, courtesy, sincerity, objectivity, integrity, and fairness. Write using straightforward and non-judgmental language. Also avoid casual language unless you are certain that it is appropriate in the situation. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Videos for other parts of the CPA Way are also available.